This is a quick little video showcasing my Unity game that I'm working on right now. I have big plans for it, and I kind of just want a little bit of feedback on what you guys think. So, just start off with the basics. So basically, what I've made so far is a quick sort of game idea, which involves a first-person controller, where each basically prefab or level object is actually harvestable. As you can see, I made. And yes, I did write all the scripts in this game except for the vehicle scripts and day and night cycle scripts. But basically resource collecting, so you can collect materials, you can drive all the vehicles, they're all drivable. See, everything is collectible. This is loot, this will be hidden in the game. There's little locations where you can mine other stuff, so I'll just give you a quick example. Let's see, so obviously all this is subject to change. So you have a timer at the top, I'll explain that in a minute, but basically all objects have hover text. If you left click, plays a sound. Each of these you can pick up. Another sound effect, you can add wood. Basically this is your materials, you hold tab to view them. You can mine anything. This is just kind of a little thing I just added for no reason. So you can take all that and it adds 5 metal per ingot you pick up basically. You can mine basically everything. I haven't made mushrooms or anything harvestable yet, but that's to come, I think. Along with that, each of these little loot crates, you can hit E on to actually open, has a random loot spawn. So here I actually have bricks. So that gives me 15 brick, and I can pick up these two, you know. Oh yeah, I can also drag objects. So say, let me go back to my spawn quickly. And I made this terrain. I didn't make the 3D modeling though. I'll leave a link if anyone would like that. So basically, one second, let me find the collider. I need to fix the collider for these. There we go. So, around cam, you can drive around. I added a light script, so you can have car lights. As you can see, the fog and night skybox actually changes on certain times of days. Here's a little parking lot zone I built actually. So yeah, each vehicle, there we go, is drivable. You can go first person, third person, draggable, lights, whatever. All mineable, you know, you can pick stuff up. Say I want this, just put it on the back. I need to fix the colliders here, so it's gonna look a bit awkward at the moment. If I can find the collider, there you go. So it obviously will probably slide off the back, so we'll just ignore that. I'm still working on that. As you can tell, there's different sound effects as well that go along with everything. And yes, I did build this scene. This is made by me. Just if you're wondering, I don't copy anything without citing it. So as you can see, you can break pallets, metal, whatever. In here, more pallets, mystery boxes, random loot. Never know what you're gonna get. So what my plans for this game actually are is I want to make a game where you choose a specific map. So this is obviously like a forest type map. Let me just quickly disable fog. And so you choose your spawn location, and then from there you collect resources. You can basically, you'll have a hub area, so you can just, I guess, build a hub. I'm still working on the ideas. And then you have the timer is for 5 minutes that you have to prepare. And then after that, enemies come to attack the hub, and you can actually build. I'm still working on that system. I'll have it done probably in a week though. So you can basically, using the materials you gather, you can build, you can craft, which I've actually already added. I'm currently working on let me find it. It says organized. I just have all this stuff open. Mine drill. So I currently have this disabled because of some errors it causes. But basically this has an on and off button. It spawns metal every I think 10 seconds. So that's a craftable item. I already have a crafting menu. If I can find it, should be under, yeah, here it is. So here's my crafting menu. Well, you can't see it because it's buried under all the UI. But basically, crafting menu is already implemented, but I took it out because the keybinds are really weird. So when building the game, it just doesn't feel right. So I took that out. Basically, that's my plans for this game. You get 5 minutes to prepare, and then you defend for, you know, however long you can. It'll be in waves. You get a high score, and then I can, basically, I'm planning on adding a ton of different materials, crafting recipes, random map generation. So this is just kind of, this is not permanent. So I'll say like trees will, at the beginning of the game, will spawn in randomly. Vehicles will spawn in certain structures, will spawn randomly, such as a parking lot that has vehicles in it. So yeah, I'm thinking, I have a ton of ideas. I would love to see your feedback in the comments on this video. So whatever you guys think would be cool to add. So yeah, that is my game so far. Oh yeah, one more thing. If we go to my scenes folder, city intro, that's what it is. So its name's City Intro. I did not actually build this map. This came with the asset package I purchased, which is called Polygon City Pack. This map that is displayed now, I did build using those assets. But this was not built by me. I'd like you to note. Let's just clearly enable the skybox. So I did add the lens flares using the Unity lens flares package. So this is not my map, so I'm planning to change this to create a custom map. That way it's not any form of copyright. So basically this is what loads up on the game. Starting, you have a little intro camera view, and I'm planning to add, sounds, and this would be over a different map. So yeah, that's just the name, because I have no idea what to name this. It turns around. So I think that's a pretty nice intro for the start. You hit space. Okay, well, apparently I didn't add it to the scene build, but then it basically goes to a loading screen, which is kind of a fake loading screen. I just thought it'd be cool to add a loading screen, so I did. This rotates, whatever. Then you're dropped into your, let's see, I think I called it City Main, even though it's a forest. If we could load that up quickly, Unity, come on, please. Basically, after this loads, you go into the game, and I'm obviously going to add, like, teleportation, so you can start off where you want to, and then the timer will start. Things like that, so yeah. Any opinions, ideas, update ideas, tutorials you want to see, like how to get vehicles working, how to create harvestable objects. We'll just play through this one more time. I am working on this quite frequently. On the weekends, about 3 hours a day, especially on scripting. So, like, I started this project, let's see, probably about Wednesday. I'm really into coding, so I worked on it a ton. And basically, this is where it's at currently. So yeah, recommendations, ideas, whatever you think would be cool to add. Tutorials, whatever you want to see. I'll probably do more update videos as the game progresses. But yeah, anything you want to see, just comment down below. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Yeah, I'll make another one of these. Goodbye.